Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Treatments vary depending on the type of arthritis. The main goals of arthritis treatments are to reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. However, consuming certain foods may be beneficial for managing symptoms. This can include consuming a diet rich in whole fruits and vegetables and focusing on anti-inflammatory fats. Avoid eating certain foods may also help people with arthritis manage their symptoms. Believe it or not, the dietary choices you make can have a big impact on the amount of pain you experience. Luckily, by knowing which foods can cause the most inflammation and discomfort, you can begin to avoid the vicious and debilitating pain cycle caused by your arthritis. In this video, we're going to be talking about top foods that should be avoided if you have arthritis. So let's start. Number 1. Processed foods. Highly processed foods such as frozen meals, lunch meat, baked goods, fast food, and packaged snacks usually have refined grains and added sugars, salt, and fat to help them last on store shelves and maintain their flavor. These can all increase inflammation. Eating a highly processed diet is associated with increased obesity and insulin resistance, which could indirectly worsen arthritis symptoms. Number 2. Gluten. Gluten is a protein in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. Some research has found that a gluten-free diet can benefit rheumatoid arthritis patients by reducing inflammation. Studies have also found an association between people who have celiac disease and rheumatoid arthritis. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disease in which gluten triggers inflammation in the gut and elsewhere in the body. Number 3. Salt. Your body needs the sodium in salt for many functions, but consuming too much can be problematic. Research has associated high salt intake with greater inflammation and an increased risk for developing rheumatoid arthritis. High sodium foods that a person may wish to avoid include pizza, burgers, fast food, tacos and burritos, deli meat sandwiches, chips, and other savory snacks. Number 4. Nightshade vegetables. Nightshade vegetables contain a compound called solanine. Some research have suggested that solanine containing vegetables may interfere with the gut microbiota and indirectly increase inflammation. The Arthritis Foundation advises that people who suspect the nightshades may worsen their symptoms should exclude these foods from their diet for a couple of weeks and then reintroduce them one at a time. Nightshades vegetables include tomatoes, bell peppers, chili peppers, eggplants, and potatoes. Number 5. Omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids in excess can worsen inflammation. Common sources of omega-6 fats include soybeans, corn, safflower, sunflower, canola oil, nuts, meat. Number 6. High-fat dairy. Milk, yogurt, and other dairy products can be bad for arthritis, but it depends on the amount of fat and sugar a particular product contains. In general, avoid full-fat dairy and products with added sugar when you have arthritis. Research has shown a link between a high-fat diet and inflammatory reactions. Number 7. Red meat. Red meats are higher in fat, particularly saturated fat, than white meats and plant-based protein. Studies have associated red meat intake with increased levels of inflammation, which may worsen swelling in the joints and arthritis symptoms. Number 8. Added sugar. Added sugars don't offer any nutritional value. This is why they're often referred to as empty calories. Worse, they can increase inflammation. Limit your added sugar intake to those 9 teaspoons per day. Common food sources of added sugar include candy, desserts, baked goods, ice cream, processed snacks, and condiments like ketchup and barbecue sauce. Food can play a role in the amount of inflammation you deal with every day. If you have been diagnosed with arthritis, simple diet changes could help manage your symptoms. If you found this video informative, please share your thoughts in the comments. Also subscribe for more videos on arthritis and other health related problems.